All right, and we're back. This is just another quick unboxing. Something that I already had on my Street Glide, but I was out for a 70-mile ride yesterday, and I looked down and I noticed one half was off. When I grabbed it, it fell off of my hands. So let me pop this open, show you what we got. Replacements, as they say. So, and I'll probably do a video, or I think I did a write-up already on how to install them. If I did, I'll probably just convert that over to a video and upload it. All right, there's hardware for it. And let's get this out here. All right. And there we go. All right. So what these are Batwing wind deflectors. And they work amazing. They really do. They're in the wintertime, it gives you that much more, because I do ride in the winter. So it gives you that much more wind protection in the winter. But in the summer too, this is, up against the fairing, you can take this, like there's your clothes, you can take it and you can divert the air up towards you. So this way, as you're riding, okay, closed, you can position it. I can position it to blow air across the engine, or kick it up a little bit like this, and then what it does is it blows air up onto the rider on both sides. So that's what these are. They're not super hard to install, but you got to be careful which kit you get. This kit did come from Amazon. So as you can see, it has screws and washers in it, okay? A lot of the kits that you're finding on eBay and on Amazon, you're not getting screws. You're getting plastic push pins, which are basically worthless. You need the screws. You got to have a set of screws. The original set I put on had screws. This replacement set, the reason I bought it, it was $20.99 plus tax, if I remember correctly. I'm a Prime member, so shipping's free. So basically, this comes with the screws. That's why I sprung for this set. The factory ones, like the what do I want to say? The Moco ones, original Harley ones, are, last time I priced them out, $110. So these are 20 bucks, and they're just as good. The first set that I have on the bike lasted me, I think I put them on in 2017, winter of 2017, because I bought the bike as a leftover in December of 2016, and, it's 2025. That's how long they lasted. And why it broke, I guess just, plastic fatigue after so many years of exposure to, all weather conditions. The only thing I can think of. But they're well worth it, again. And I did the write-up on how to do it, like pictorial, but I'll probably do a new video just to show you guys how to put these on. I'll get the old ones off. And then we'll throw this new set on, and I'll keep the right side is still good. I'll keep that in my bin of parts just in case, this one breaks on me. But with that said, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and definitely subscribe if you want to see how to install these, because they do not come with directions. The aftermarket ones don't come with directions, and I know a lot of people were complaining in the reviews for them. They were complaining that they didn't come with directions, so I figure I'll probably just do a new video, show you guys how it's done. Again, they're from China, but even the Harley ones are from China, and the quality, again, I mean, I'm looking at 9.5 years, I guess. No, 8.5 years that they lasted, and I think I paid $40 for them back then. Now they're down to $21. So, all right, I'll see you guys in the next video.